Hello, Vijay. What are you reading on your mobile?
Guinea, I am reading about the various schemes administered by the government which can play a key part in our financial planning and management.
That is great. The government runs many schemes which are enhanced from time to time to help citizens in managing their money and finances.
Yes, I read about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY, a national mission for financial inclusion to ensure access to financial services, including banking or savings and deposit accounts, remittances, credit, insurance and pensions in an affordable manner.
You even opened a Jan Dhan account under the PMJDY mission, Vijay, right?
Yeah, I also got my RuPay debit card with it, which I now use regularly. Guinea, I also opened a Sukanya Samriddhi account for my daughter.
Wow! And have you subscribed to a pension scheme yet?
I am thinking of subscribing to the Atal Pension Yojana. Our bank Mitra told us that I would get a guaranteed pension when I turn 60 years old. She also explained that the pension could range between 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees depending on our contribution.
That is correct, Vijay. Atal Pension Yojana is targeted at the unorganized sector and the age of entry is between 18 to 39 years. Since you have a KYC compliant bank account, you should enroll as soon as possible.
Will do. Guinea, you know, I have also opted for the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. The premium of just 12 rupees per annum is auto-debited from my Jan Dhan account and it gives us an accident insurance cover of up to 2 lakh rupees.
Good. And have you opted for the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana also?
Yes, Guinea. The premium of 330 rupees towards this scheme is also auto-debited from my account.
The Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana provides a sum assured of 2 lakh rupees that is payable to the nominee on the death of the insured member for any reason. By the way, Vijay, do you know about the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana?
Yes, Guinea. I read about this too. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana provides comprehensive insurance cover against failure of the crop. It is very helpful to farmers like us because it covers both yield losses and post-harvest losses. Even the premiums are very low, just 2% for all kharif food and oilseeds crop, 1.5% for rabi food and oilseeds crop, and 5% for annual commercial and horticultural crops.
Do cover your crops, Vijay. And also remember, it is compulsory for loanee farmers who obtain a crop loan or Kisan credit card for notified crops.
Got it, Guinea. Does the government also help people in setting up small businesses?
Yes, Vijay. The government and various banks have a variety of loan schemes to help set up and run micro and small enterprises.
Oh, great! So the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana falls in this category?
Yes, it does. What else do you know about the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Vijay?
Guinea, I understand that it is a scheme under which small businessmen can take collateral-free loans up to 10 lakh rupees for non-farm related income generating activities and get a head start.
Yes, Vijay. The assistance is available to all non-corporate small businesses, including manufacturing units, shopkeepers, fruits and vegetable vendors, truck operators, repair shops, and machine operators, among others.
And we can get the loan from any designated bank branch across the country.
That is correct. The bank branch or the microfinance institution will give you all details of the scheme.
Thanks, Guinea. And is there support available for building or buying our own house too?
Yes, Vijay. The government is very focused on providing affordable housing to all citizens. There is a scheme called the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana targeted at fulfilling this dream in both urban and rural areas.
Thanks a ton, Guinea, for all this information. I hope to use it well.
It has been my pleasure, Vijay. Do remember to check all details of every scheme thoroughly and keep a track of all changes that may be announced from time to time.
I will, Ginny. Bye-bye.
Bye, Vijay. All the best to you and your family. See you soon.